Hey guys, it's me Leah and my brother Elijah, and this is Play-Doh Unboxed.
We're super excited to find out what our next Play-Doh surprise is going to be.
So, what are we waiting for? This is the Play-Doh Kitchen Creations Drizzy Ice Cream!
Fun to play with, but not to eat. All right, so let's see. So we got drizzles right here. We got the machine. Let's get unboxing. Okay, so put it up, and then okay. Whoa, we're gonna put this all together. So we have lots of molds here that we can put the Play-Doh in. It's cool. We got some fruits. We got pretzel, my favorite. Okay. We got some candy, we got some gummy bears, or teddy bears, I don't know. Stars, watermelons, circles.
And
we have a lot, yeah.
So first, I found some cones. There's a green, a blue, and a pink.
Ooh, and I got the drizzle.
And then you also get one of these. It's like a sundae cup. It comes with a bunch of Play-Doh. It comes with 6 Play-Dohs.
And it also comes with another red drizzle, which is pretty cool.
Play-Doh Kitchen Creations Drizzy! Let's snap this thing together.
Let's do this, okay?
And then let's do pink. And then maybe we can do like a drizzle.
Right there, okay. Put this in. Like smudge it in a little bit. Yeah. All right. One more. Oh yeah. Okay. Ready? Moment of truth. Oh wait. We gotta get the cup right there. Okay. Both more. Okay. Let's put it down like this. And then
Moment of truth.
squeeze it down. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. So let's pick this up. Let's put it in the decoration station.
Let's add some Drizzy.
All right, so we're gonna open this. Oh yeah, this looks fun.
Okay.
Put this on here. Okay. And now let's add some Drizzy. Okay. All right. Watch out. Oh.
Oh, can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
Maybe add a little bit of red on it too, cause you know, little red.
Oh. Okay. While you're doing that, I'm gonna start making some sprinkles.
Oh yeah, this is really good. All right, let's start making the sprinkles. All right, so we're gonna take this out.
And I think we should use like an orange or either green.
We're gonna scoop, 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 scoop.
Let's now start adding some orange because we don't have any.
Oh yeah, scoop this up.
I think we're ready.
Oh yeah, let's switch it in. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. Well, Leah, this is one sweet playset.
I see what you did there.
Check us out on the next
Play-Doh Unboxed. Bye!
Smyths Toy Superstores. If I were a toy.